Okay, so with a graph data structure, we have right here, and then a graph node class. Um, we want to add a method to this graph data structure class that is addVertex. So that means just add a new node to an already existing graph. So just say like we have this already existing graph, and just say we want to add another node. Um, let's do it. Let's get black here. Like number 6, say we want to add this new vertex or node. I like to refer to as node, and we want to add it to this graph, and then like make a connection to 1 and make a connection to 5. So that's adding a new vertex to the graph. So how do we go about implementing that in code? So what we want to do is when you pass in this addVertex to a graph method, you have its value, which is 6, and its edges, which is the 1 vertex and the 5 vertex. So the edges would be that you would set in. So what you want to do is just instantiate or a new vertex or a new node. It's kind of dumb that there's only, why don't they just call them vertex or node? I hate referencing. These things are vertex and node, the same thing. So anyway, that's a little event. So it's just you create the new node, which is 6, and then if the new node has edges, implement them to the existing node. So first we want to make this edge here to 1 and this edge to 5. So just make sure that the edges, the length, this is not empty essentially, and for each so then for each edge in that array, or each edge node, you just want to add the edge, the new vertex, to the your prior. This add edge method takes your new node and the edge, and we have an add edge method down here that kind of does the magic for that. And then finally, you want to add the node to the graph. So this is referencing the graph vertices, so or the nodes, and you just push the new node or vertex object into the vertices. And then right here, this is code right here is for an edge case that if there's only one, or if you added this is the second node that's added to the graph. So just say the graph is only this one node, and then you add 6. Then you want to automatically connect them. So yeah, so if the length of your new node that you added equals 2, then you just connect the 2 vertices that are in that graph. So and then you just return the new node, and that should be it. Might have to do you even have to have return new node? I think you just might do return. But anyways, but that's kind of the to adding a new node or vertex to a graph. That's how you would implement that in JavaScript.